Hey guys, it has been a hot minute since I have sat down in front of the camera and done a sit down video, and welcome to my very first video of 2018. I never got the chance to just sit down and thank you guys because my Vlogmas kind of ended abruptly, but thank you guys for everyone that watched my Vlogmas videos every day and that left a comment. I also was really bad at replying to comments because it was kind of stressful, but it was really an amazing experience, and for next year I know exactly what to do, what not to do. But today I figured I would sit down and do a video that all of you guys requested on my Instagram, and that is the what I got for Christmas video. I've got beauty, I've got books, I've got fashion, I've also got a little bit of luxury as well. So these are gifts that I bought myself and that were bought for me. Please make sure you guys hit that red subscribe button because I will be back to doing videos between 2 and 3 times a week depending, and I definitely want you guys to stick around. Let's start with one of my bigger gifts. I actually got the iPhone 8S. Is this an S? Oh my god. No, I actually got the iPhone 8. I had the iPhone 6S before Christmas, and if you guys watch my Vlogmas, you will have seen I got this 2 days before Christmas. I didn't go with the X because I did a lot of research and a lot of people said they returned the X for this one, and I'm so glad I went for this one. And I love that this is more of like a blush pink on the back with the rose gold, just because you guys know me. But yeah, I'm loving this. My old 6S had no space. I think it was 16 gigabytes, which I was always having to delete stuff, and it also died maybe 3 or 4 times a day. So this has such a long battery life. It was time, and it needs a case because this whole thing is gloss and I don't want to drop it, so I've kind of been babying it. Let us move into the fashion gifts. One thing that I got that I'm so excited about is this beanie hat right here. This is from, it has a tag on it, it's actually from Aerie. And you guys, if you guys watch my how to be stylish and look cute in the winter, cute hats and scarves were like one of my major tips for you guys. And also, if anyone knows me, I am obsessed with anything that sparkles and shines, so the gold thread running through this is so me. Another thing I also got, which I'm really excited about, is another pair of ZARA jeans. This is a color I didn't have in my collection. It's like a faded black, somewhere between black and gray, and it also has some destruction on the knee, so it's got a hole in the knee and then some distressed details throughout. I don't have distressed jeans. I'm usually like a plain jean girl, but I love these. I loved it when I tried them on. They have the raw hem here, which is really, really cute. So when you're wearing like pumps or something. And then they have this cool detail here, which I wouldn't have chosen necessarily for myself, but I love it. These were given to me in a size 4, which is my normal ZARA size. But the other style I like from them, other than the mid-rise skinny, are the high-rise skinnies as well. You guys have to try them. I may have just like done Boxing Day shopping and got 2 or 3 more pairs that I will be showing you guys in a haul soon. Okay. Fun fact, my dad gets the best jewelry gifts, and because I'm someone that doesn't wear a lot of jewelry and doesn't really buy it for myself, I know at Christmas I'm going to get something cute. So I got a really cute set that is perfect for me because I've been wearing a lot of black, and it's from the brand Aldo. So I have this gorgeous necklace here, which of course shines because hello, but it's set on like a black gunmetal black background. Like I honestly think this would even look really cute just with a black turtleneck like this, because it does give you those choker vibes. But also I'm wearing a lot of black crew necks at the moment, and I think that this is just perfect for a little bit of shine. And I also got with it, let's see if I can put it on, the matching bracelet as well. So yeah, he killed it. This is definitely something I probably wouldn't have bought for myself because I just don't think to buy this kind of thing, but I love. But something else that I love, which is an amazing gift, are flannel PJs from Victoria's Secret. And I received this set this year. This is, I've worn them, okay, these have to go in the wash, but it's just a v-neck top, and it's got this kind of gray print on it with the pink, the blush pink detailing. Super, super comfortable, and it comes with the leggings as well. Victoria's Secret makes my favorite PJs. You guys know this if you watch any of my videos or vlogs. They're super comfortable. Okay, I was going to leave the luxury stuff till the end, but I figured we're doing all the fashion stuff at once. So these you will have seen if you guys watch my Vlogmas video entitled My Early Christmas Present, were something that I bought for myself from ZARA. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly because maybe not everyone saw. I've wanted to actually wear these already, but we had so much snow, so it's kind of been a nightmare. I got myself these gorgeous ZARA boots. These are, oh my god, so amazing. I first saw these online at the beginning of the season, and I was like, let me wait till these go on sale, because I believe these were $1,200, like something like that, regular price. And I was like, I don't think so, but these are amazing. They've got the pearl detailing going all up the front, you have it on the side. You've got a 4-inch heel, which is not too high, a super comfortable heel height. I just think they're so chic. I love a boot because it's winter like 4 to 6 months of the year here, so it's a good time to wear boots. And I also love boots that have a little bit extra to them. They're just not plain, so I think these are a great one to add to my collection, and they also come up nice and high on the shaft. So I can't wait to wear these. I will link to these and everything else that I've talked about below, but these are actually on sale right now. I think they're 50 or 60% off. And then I couldn't resist. I also got myself a pair of Stuart Weitzman shoes. These also are on major sale right now, so I'll link to them below. They're actually even a better price than I paid for them. I got myself their all legs over the, oh my god, can you see these? These are just some black suede over the knee boots. I got my Taupe Stuart Weitzman boots, literally obsessed with them. I wore them all day shopping and my feet barely hurt. And my black over the knee boots that I have from ZARA, I love them, but they're just too big on me. So I'm gonna have to sell those ones. And so when I saw these, I was like, perfect, because these are different to the Highland in that the shaft, which means how high they come up your leg, is higher. So these are a true thigh-high boot. So even when these slip down, these are going to be super over the knee, which I really, really like. I wanted something that was true over the knee, not just over the knee, like true thigh-high. Does that make any sense? So yeah, I love these. These ones also are a little bit different. They have the pointed toe. They also have the super comfortable heel high. And they have the rubber inset on a leather sole. I like that the Stuart Weitzman boots do the rubber because it means that I don't have to get rubber soles put on and I can wear them in the rain and things like that. So I cannot wait to wear these. I think I'm gonna wear them tomorrow. Okay, other things I got this MAC Fix Plus literal lifesaver because my skin has been dry like an Egyptian papyrus lately. Like when I put on my makeup today, I was like, holy crap, we have had some of the coldest temperatures, and so this is great. I sprayed all my face after my makeup, and also I'm going to be spraying my face consistently because my skin is about to disintegrate. It is so dry. I also got 2 Sephora gift cards because Lord knows I need to re-up on some things. I've got some foundation, some powder to buy, so we will go on a shopping spree at Sephora. Maybe I'll vlog it and bring you guys along. And then I also got a ZARA gift card, which I'm super excited about because I will always use a ZARA gift card. You guys know that store is like my favorite. So we got to do some shopping. I love gift cards. People say they're like unthoughtful gift, but I'm like, it's the most thoughtful gift because you're giving me the power to go get exactly what I want and be happy with it. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the other more little things that I got, more techie things. I got this iPhone cord charger because Lord knows if you guys get an Apple iPhone, the charger they give you is the worst thing known to mankind. Like it always breaks, and so this one has like a rope cord and it's like invincible basically. So I never actually use the Apple charger. I have another one right now, but this is something that I always need because halfway through the year my charger is donezo. I also got this iPhone stand because when I'm looking at like the Daily Mail and things online and I'm at the table at breakfast, this is going to be perfect to like throw my iPhone in. I got a few of these really cute bookmarks. These are magnetic page markers, and instead of being a full bookmark, you kind of just hook this over your page, and they have really cute sayings on them. It says, "Dream bigger, darling, don't hold back." Actually, I can. And that is perfect because your girl got a bunch of books and I am book obsessed. That is one thing that you guys don't know about me. I love to read. I've actually already read one of these books that I got for Christmas. I'm also a really quick reader as well. I can read a book in a day if I'm really hooked. I think this one I might have read in 2 days. But let's start with the first book. This is kind of a health and cookbook that I received, and it says it's called Eat, Nourish, and Glow, and it's by Amelia Freer, and she's a nutritional therapist and healthy eating expert. I'm really excited to delve into this one because in the back of the book are a bunch of healthy, like super clean recipes, and after Christmas, it is gonna, well, like obviously it's after Christmas right now. I've been eating everything in sight, so this is the perfect time for me to try out some of these recipes and kind of detox myself because now I'm like way back on the bandwagon because I'm not trying to gain 20 pounds like I did last year again. And then I got 3 books, or I guess you would call them, well, fiction books, like not recipe books. The first one that I already read is called The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, and this is by Rebecca Skloot. This was amazing. This actually combines a fiction book with, no, it doesn't combine a fiction. This is an entirely true story. What am I talking about? I don't want to spoil this for you. In a nutshell, basically, this is about a woman named Henrietta Lacks who had cancer, and her cells were taken from her and made into HeLa. If anyone's into science, you guys may have heard of this. And basically, her cells are a multi-million-dollar industry and still living on today. They've been used to help create antibodies and vaccines and cures for things like the flu, HPV. But this is kind of like the story of how it affected her and her family and what went on. It was so good. It sounds dry, but read it. It was amazing. I also have got this one here called A Little Life by Hanaya Yana. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna bother. About 4 classmates from Massachusetts who moved to New York, and then basically it's about how they're broke and adrift, but then their friendship and ambition helps them through their lives. It's like an intersecting story. Very excited to read this one. And then the one that I'm actually going to read next is called Breaking Free by Rachel Jeffs, How I Escaped Polygamies of FLDS Cult and My Father, Warren Jeffs. This kind of thing I eat up. Again, this is another true story, and it's about Rachel Jeffs, who grew up in the Church of Latter-day Saints, and basically she escaped from that church and escaped from her father. I guess a lot of bad stuff happened to her. I had never heard of her before, but I saw this one in Costco and I really liked the look of it, and so I was glad to receive this one. Also, something that was an amazing gift for me, well, these are two things but they're the same, are headphones. You guys, I always talk about the best headphones for the gym, and mine broke just before the holidays, so I got another pair of these. These ones are just the black version. I believe I showed you guys the white version. These are just over-ear big headphones like this, but the sound quality is amazing. It's perfect for the gym, and they're very portable as well and fold down. So I will leave the style name of this headphone below. And then I got the Mac Daddy of all headphones for my YouTube editing, which I could have cried when I received this gift. I think it was my favorite because I had these and I lost them this summer in Florida, and they are these big Mac Daddy headphones, also from Sony. I will link these ones too, but I haven't even opened them yet. But if I were to take them out, you would see that they're a much more robust version of these ones. These are like the granddaddy of headphones, and this is like the baby. The sound quality on these are the best headphones I have ever used. Like, the sound is so amazing. So yeah, when I lost them by the pool in Florida, I was super upset, and because they're kind of expensive and not something I would buy for myself, I didn't replace them yet. So when I opened those, I was like, oh, let the heavens sing. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I got. I'm really excited to kick into 2018 with some more fashion videos and fitness videos for you guys. 2018 is going to be amazing. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys as well, I also did order a bunch of gym clothes from Gymshark. I got money to do that, but that was yesterday and they have not arrived yet. But I ordered their new Seamless Energy collection. I want to also do a favorite gym leggings video. Let me know if you guys are into that, because I want to give you like my top 5 gym leggings. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in 2018. Let me know what your favorite gift was and what you got up to over the holidays, and I can't wait to bring you guys many more videos this year. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.